Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to re-verify your identity on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook and then follow all the prompts on Facebook that it asks you. Next, provide required documents or selfies if requested. After that, wait for Facebook to review and approve. Next, go ahead to your settings and then update your password by going to passwords and security, and then click on change password, and then do all the credentials that you have to do. Type in your current password, type in your new password, and then retype your new password to verify if you have corrected it or not. Once you're done, then log in and check account activity. Safety tip: only submit verification directly through the Facebook and not emails. Quick fix: use a computer browser if the app still fails, and that's it. Subscribe for